in the India gets 78 years to independence on 15th August 1947. The British rule has became to the India and said that you must be hand over to us. So, but the leaders leaders fight the British rule and get to freedom like Lokmanya Tilak, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Babasaheb Ambedkar, and so many more. Thank you.
गुड, व्हेरी गुड. सगळ्यांनी क्लॅप करा तिच्यासाठी, स्वरा पाटील साठी. चला आपण नेक्स्ट